Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are back live doing another pack opening and showing off one of my pristine 10 cards I got out of the mystery packages today. I made the mistake of not opening them up on camera, so next time I'll definitely be doing that. But this is the one I got from one of my packages today, the NFL pristine 10 Marvin Harrison Jr. rookie stallion, so that's cool. And then we got an absolute pack to try to hit something good. So let's see if we can get something out of there. There we go. Man, it wasn't opening easy for me. Let's see, we got Chase Brown. We got Jake Ferguson, Cowboys. DK Metcalf, look at that, the Steeler. We got Hunter Henry. Oh, we got a rookie wave rookie card. Look at that. Cam Ward. Oh, no numbered or nothing, but a rook. And then we got Okonowo. Oh, a numbered card. Look at that. 340 out of 850. Look at that. Tennessee Titan, Chigoziem Okonowo. Look at that. Those numerals are on the front, so that's not bad. And then Matthew Golden. And rookie card, Woody Marks. So look at that. Out of the one free pack from the free mystery packages hit. Like I said, we hit this awesome numeral, shiny looking thing. Yep, 340 numbered out of 850. Look at that. Yep, see it's on the side there. It's hard to see with the glare, but the first pack we hit a numbered one out of the free one. So hey, we'll take it. See you on the next one, ladies and gentlemen. Peace.